I've been using the Easy German membership for a while now, and in this video, I want to share my honest and unbiased review. I'll go over everything, the main features, the pros and cons, and some things you should consider before signing up. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether the Easy German membership is right for you. Let's start with what the membership actually offers. Easy German presents it as a way to unlock exclusive perks for learners, things like interactive worksheets, transcripts, vocabulary tools, and structured learning paths. The goal is to give learners a supportive and organized environment to build their German skills. So is it really worth it? Let's look at the good first. On the positive side, the membership provides a wide range of learning materials designed to make progress easier. The interactive worksheets cover grammar, vocabulary, and listening comprehension, catering to different learning styles. The guided learning paths are organized by proficiency level so you can advance at your own pace. Members also get access to a private podcast feed with transcripts and vocabulary helpers, a great way to boost listening comprehension and word retention. Now, a few downsides. The program mainly targets learners who prefer structured, self-paced learning. If you're someone who thrives in a live classroom setting or enjoys direct interaction, it might feel a bit too independent. There's also a monthly subscription fee to consider, not ideal for casual learners or those on a tight budget. As for usability, the Easy German platform is clean and easy to navigate. The layout feels intuitive, and tools like the vocabulary helper and interactive transcripts are well integrated. That said, some users have mentioned occasional technical issues, like slow loading or temporary feature glitches, which can be annoying. Overall, the Easy German membership is a solid choice for learners who like structure and flexibility. If you want a comprehensive set of materials that you can use anytime, it's definitely worth considering. But if you prefer more face-to-face or interactive learning, there might be better options for you.